Open the patient in your clinical record. A notification will appear telling you the patient's status. You can exit this pop-up at any time, and to generate the pop-up again, select Check Status. To sign documents, click Go to Care Plan. This will open the patient's record in Inca. Select Sign Documents. The documents have now been electronically signed and relevant care team members will be notified. Documents can also be signed from the patient list. Select Patients. Filter criteria to patients with unsigned documents. Only patients with unsigned documents will be visible. To sign documents, click Sign Document next to the patient name. The pop-up will show you what you are signing. The patient list can also be accessed via the Precedence connector.